help us to do threat hunting. While if we do threat hunting, we need to click, use morning manpower to do that. But with AI, especially this terminal SIEM, the auto operation is by CLI, mainly by CLI. So it's easy for me to implement through AI agent. More easy, no need to click, no need to do fancy thing. Just we put some skill in the AI to tell them how to read, how to understand the file, how to where the location and the schema. Then we give them instruction. If some suspicious alert, please proceed to search again more information again. Those stuff is very easy because we use some terminal base. Easy to work with some kind of AI agent. This is AI about our situation.
If we train the AI, and that will be more than enough. It will help us in many ways. I also noticed that you have several fascinating open source projects available on GitHub. Would you mind giving us a brief overview of some of them, like the terminal SIEM, as a ransomware simulator, and all those?
Okay, thank you. I like programming. So from time to time, if I find these tools is useful and unique, I will try to put it in GitHub. From time to time, I have at least three good tools, I believe. The one and also still relevant. One of the good tools is SIEM. The second good tools is about the ransomware simulation. Okay, I did have cook a ransomware simulation many years ago, but from time to time it is being detected by different antivirus software. The simulator I did in exe format, Java format. Java format is for major is good for test in Macintosh. Okay, the PowerShell format easy to test, no need to have a exe. And also I put it in DLL, to put it inside embed in the Excel, embed in PuTTY, embed in some HTML. So most of them are already being blocked by antivirus, current antivirus. But we have one stuff. To now, no antivirus will block it. This is PowerShell, because you do not need to save a file. It is fileless. You just copy and paste this in PowerShell, run it. Then at least the antivirus software will not aware the tool is running. Then you can go to test the behavior, because my tools is not test the antivirus to block my tools. I want to test the antivirus software whether it can block the ransomware, the behavior, whether it can detect the ransomware behavior. Ransomware behavior means what? Means the antivirus cannot detect your malware. You go to do the encryption, whether the antivirus software can aware this encrypt, delete many file as a ransomware. Some product can do it. This view detection, not much. You can have a try. Very simple. Just copy this PowerShell script and then paste in your PowerShell console. Then you can run it. At least you can start the process. Encrypt, delete. See your antivirus tools can block it or detect it or not. Not much tools in the world can actually detect the actual ransomware behavior. This is one of tools still can be used nowadays. The second one is an interesting one, because this is file smuggling. What is it? This is a tools. Sometimes you want to transfer file to your friend. It's a exe. Your friend, the mailbox cannot receive exe. The mail server will block. You can hide this file into HTML. Just we just I can say we pack the file as a HTML. Then the recipient get the file, get the HTML file, then click retrieve, then get back the file, original file. This is the so-called file smuggling. It's good for you to transfer some file. Your organization or the recipient's organization don't allow. You can hide in HTML. So it's very good. Some people use it, like it, and have some YouTube video to introduce how. If you have time, you can have a try. Very good. At this moment, still can work, still valid. These three, those three are the major tools I did in the GitHub. Still valid up to now. Yeah, absolutely.
Yes. Yeah. So you mentioned you have a ransomware program, and if you write in the PowerShell, it's going to be executing some encrypt and some programs, some steps. So I'm
Yeah.
asking, like, can your SIEM detect this kind of behavior that there's a
Okay.
ransomware? Will you detect it?
Okay. I think when to detect ransomware is not the responsibility as IAM. As IAM, the major my point of view, or the major duty is a two part. One is log management, gather all the log from the company to meet the compliance. If you don't, because nowadays the compliance need to you need to at least you need to have all kind of security log. With those log, you need to store, for example, 3 months or 1 year in case some incident. You need to check back. You need it. This is the main one of the role of SIM. The second role of SIM is that to centralize the alert, the centralized alert. Maybe I mean, from time to time, the EDR have alert, the firewall have alert, and also your application have alert, your other executives have alert. You centralize it in a central management way. This is the second part. For the detection, detection is second tier detection. The first detection should be on the EDR. Uh, the second detection is very primitive because you get the log. It's not easy from the log to find out further malicious, uh, the further abnormal activity. So the major duty of the ransomware detection should be in the front end, should be in the endpoint, not in the SIEM, security event management. Yeah.
So it seems that you have built a various number of projects and you had various different of experience. So if you could go back and build everything again, what would you do differently?
Oh, if I can go back and do it again, I will leverage more AI. Most of tools are without AI, so very slow. So I have an idea from an idea um, to have it. I may need to take 6 months or 1 year to improve it, to make it perfect, more easy to use, more good to people. If I have no experience, I can how to say more. I can have a more fast to make it more user friendly because it's tools, not commercial product. It's not so user friendly. Sorry about that. If I have AI, I have experience. I can make it more easy to use, more function for people to use. This is maybe this uh, in the coming future I will do it in different way.
Okay. So you want it to be more user friendly for the audience and you don't want
Yeah,
it to be more commercial. Is that right?
yeah.
Yeah. So finally, many of our audience members who are like students or professionals trying to move into SOC or blue team roles, what advice would you give someone who want to understand SIEM architecture or even build their own security project, to build their own security projects? Where should they start learning and where should they get their hands on to learn, as you were saying, Linux, Python, all these programs? So what order should they follow? If you could kind of give a small mini roadmap for the people.
Okay. I think practical is more important. Linux is also more important. Networking is also important. Even though in your career, in your company, you have no chance to touch about the network.